dump truck. Pump. Keep it up. Let's prepare a crushed stone pad for the railroad. We need to fix a crack on the dump truck. Amazing! Let's grind the welding seam. Done! Look at the cloud and choose the spray. You're doing really great. Let's assemble a truck. Keep up the good work. Let's load the truck. Don't stop. Let's lay sleepers on a crushed stone pad. We need to wash the truck. That's all. Let's assemble the dray scene. Keep it up. Let's load the rails onto the dray scene. Keep it up. Let's lay the rails and fix them. We need to wash the dray scene. Ready. Let's assemble the minecart. Hooray! Let's load the parts for the crosswalk into the minecart. You're doing really great. Let's install a semaphore and make a crosswalk. We need to wash the minecart. Done. We need to assemble a pile driver. Hooray! Let's fuel the pile driver. Press the pump. Done. Let's hammer piles for the station building. Let's weld a crack on the pile driver. Don't stop. Let's grind the welding seam. Amazing. Look at the cloud and choose the sprit. You're doing really great. Let's assemble the flat car. Keep it up. Now let's load the boards onto the flat car. Done! Let's make wooden decking for the platform. We need to wash the flat car. You're doing really great. Let's assemble the open wagon. Ready. Let's load the beams for the frame into the open wagon. Keep it up. Let's assemble the frame of the first and second floors. Let's weld a crack on the open wagon. Hooray! And now let's grind the seam. Keep it up. Choose the same color as in the cloud. Ready. We need to assemble the crane with cargo bed. Done! And now we need to fuel the crane with cargo bed. Pump. Don't stop. Let's install the facade and railings on the balcony. Let's wash the crane with cargo bed. We did it! Let's assemble the crane. You're doing really great. And now we need to fuel the crane. Press the pump. Hooray! Let's complete the construction of the building. We need to fix a crack on the crane. Ready. Let's grind the welding seam. Hooray! Choose the same color as in the... Hooray! Let's assemble a container car. Ready. Let's load the container car. Keep up the good work. Let's add decorative elements to the facade. Let's wash the container car. You're doing really great. We need to assemble the glass transporting car. Don't stop. Now let's load the windows and doors into the glass tram. Amazing! Let's install windows and doors. Let's weld a crack on the glass tram. Done! And now let's grind the seam. We did it! Choose the same color as in the cloud. Keep it up. We need to assemble a technical car. You're doing really great. Now let's load the equipment into the technical car. Ready. Let's arrange the station area. We need to wash the technical car. We did it! We need to assemble the locomotive. Keep up the good work. Let's fuel the locomotive. Press the pump. You're doing really great. Let's inspect the locomotive before it leaves for the journey. Let's wash the locomotive.